Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to change the language on your Android device. If you want to change the language of your Android device, so let's see how can you do it. For this, first you have to open your phone settings. In settings, scroll down and look for system. Here's that, tap on it. In system you have an option of languages and input, tap on it. And here you have languages, tap on it. In languages you have to select the language which you want to use as your system language. As I am going to add a new language, so tap on it, then tap on language you want to choose. And after doing this, you just have to press and hold the language and then pull it to the top. And after that, you have successfully set the language to your system language. So that's how you can change language of your Android device. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.